In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with campaigns. If you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts and improve how you manage customer relationships, this integration is a perfect solution. Let's dive right in and guide you through this process. First, you'll need to start by logging into your Zoho CRM account as an admin. This is an important first step because only an admin has the permissions necessary to manage integrations and access all the features required for this process. Once you're logged in, locate the Setup option in the top navigation bar. It's usually represented with a wrench or a tool icon designed to help you configure settings and customize your CRM environment. Next, within the Setup environment, you'll want to navigate to the Marketplace section. Think of the Marketplace as the App Store of your Zoho CRM, a place where you can find and integrate various Zoho applications as well as third-party apps with your CRM. Once you're in the Marketplace, look for the Zoho option. This will take you to a selection of all Zoho services that can be connected with your CRM. Here, you'll see an option for Zoho campaigns. Click on it, and then you'll be presented with two options: Manage or Configure. Select either Manage or Configure. Both will essentially lead you to the same outcome, which is setting up the integration between your Zoho CRM and Zoho campaigns. Now here's a crucial part of the process. You're going to be prompted to authorize the connection between your Zoho CRM and your Zoho campaigns account. Authorization is a key security step to ensure that both applications can share data safely and effectively. All you need to do is confirm and allow this connection when you receive the prompt. Make sure you have access to your Zoho campaigns account credentials, as you may need to enter those to complete the authorization. Once the integration is successfully set up, the two platforms will be able to communicate seamlessly, allowing you to synchronize data between your CRM and campaigns. This means your customer information will be up to date and consistent across both applications, enabling you to create targeted and effective marketing campaigns with ease. If you face any challenges along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to Zoho's support team or refer to their extensive online resources and community forums, which are packed with helpful information. With this integration in place, you'll be well equipped to enhance your marketing strategies, improve customer engagement, and ultimately drive your business growth. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials that help you make the most of your tools.